The Leigh TD330 jig makes it easy to route through dovetail joints. Through dovetails are eye-pleasing, extremely strong, and can be used for a wide variety of projects. With the TD330 you can route boards up to 12 7/8 inches wide. And you can join boards of up to 13/16 of an inch. Even boards of different thicknesses. To ensure you get consistent results and a perfect fit, the TD330 includes matching router bits and the Leigh E-bush guide bushing. Let's practice routing on the TD330 by making a simple box. Lay out 4 boards and mark them tails or pins. Install the Leigh E-bush and the dovetail bit in your router. Use the number 5 E-bush setting. Clamp a tailboard in your workstation. Place the TD330 on the tailboard with the tail template facing you, center it, and clamp it in place. Rotate the side stop until it touches the edge of the board. The tails are routed by moving in and out of the template openings. Remove the jig, rotate the tailboard and route the other end. Do this with the second tailboard as well. Install the included straight bit in your router. Clamp a pin board in your workstation and align the jig, pins facing you, against the edge of the board. Route the pins by following the fingers. The TD330 guide fingers are angled to match the dovetail bit for perfectly aligned pins and tails. As before, route the other end and then repeat the procedure on the second pin board. Test your joints for fit. If the fit is too loose, turn the Leigh E-bush to a higher number. If the fit is too tight, turn to a lower number. Make sure you record your settings in the user guide for the next time you route. Once you've found the correct Leigh E-bush setting, assemble your perfectly aligned box. For more information on the Leigh TD330 jig, visit leightools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Leigh products carry a full 5-year warranty, the best in the business. And our customer care and technical support are second to none. Leigh products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.